Talaga nga namang ang mga gawang Pilipino ay pang world class at isang masterpiece.
From the lobby going to the roof deck, talaga namang pag ang isang arkitekto hindi magulat, hindi gawang arkitekto ang kanya nakita. And I saw one of the greatest design. Pagdating dun sa details, talaga namang masasabi mong gawa nga ito ng masterpiece ng isang arkitekto.
It's a brand of architect.
Yes. So,
a brand of architect topic.
Yes, I agree with that. Kaya nga, nandito sila. Para at least, you know, the details of the design, maisa-isa natin. Bakit, how they came up with that kind of design.
Well, it's true that we're fond of using local materials. Not only in Baylit project, but in all of our projects. Basta pwedeng i-apply, then
as much as you can.
As much as you, yeah, I agree with that.
Because we still have so many good material, like the pebble wash out. We use it in one of our projects in Cavite, where we use it in the stair nosing.
Okay.
Stair nosing.
Because in stair nosing,
instead of using trim,
instead of using so many type of stair nosing, and you can imagine the volume of the traffic of the students going up and down, sira agad yung stair nosing.
Yes.
And yun namang iba, hard to maintain. But when we put this pebble wash out in the nosing,
madali.
My God, it's natural material, stone.
And
hindi mo kaya sirain.
And the price?
Very cheap.
Very cheap.
Yeah. One of the first conversations I had with him was, nagulat nga ako kasi ako, ang mindset ko na, mas imported, mas maganda. But when we were talking about the specs, sabi niya, piliin natin yung locally manufactured. So it struck me na, okay ito.
You know, what Jim was saying is that the locally produced materials we wanted to support. Here in this building, we use GFRC as it's a locally local suppliers. It's an important technology. Which I think is invented in Middle East because of the intricate design of.
When you say GFRC, you mean
it is glass reinforced concrete. Glass fiber reinforced concrete. You don't need to put rebars.
Yes.
That replaces the rebars.
Very thin.
Yes. It's lightweight.
Very lightweight and very easy to use.
Yes.
Not necessarily siguro, Architect Jimmy, not necessarily naman in a building, in new projects with Architect Topi. Not necessarily naman siguro 100% locally.
Of course.
Definitely, mahirap yun.
As much as possible.
As much as possible, you're going to apply.
The paint, the doors, they're all local. Unfortunately, the tiles, we have very few selections. Kaya we're forced to import them. Yung choices kasi locally is very limited.
Pero hindi ba tayo abundant sa country natin? When you go with the raw materials, I think in the country, mas marami tayong raw materials.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, we have.
Very sufficient.
But the problem with Philippines is that, you know, yung colonial mentality natin, sometimes we want Italian marble, granite.
Granite.
You know, for us in the office, it is not important the cost of the material. Bulacan marble, for instance, okay, you use it, Bulacan marble, you put it in the proper location, and it will look great.
Very good.
And it's very cheap.
But until now, do we have that?
I use it. I use it in Crown Regency hotels.
Yung conditioning lang ng
in all
clients.
The toilets.
No?
I thought we don't have materials right now. I mean supplies.
Yeah,
when it comes to marble.
Talaga. Bulacan marble is being imported in Japan by my friend.
Ay, kaya siguro nauubusan.
Because
we are not using. I mean, architects never.
The reason is that we are not using it. Ayaw na natin. Nagkasawa tayo.
In the future, sana ay Filipino makapag-manufacture nung talagang tatama dun sa gusto.
Pero ito, Ram, I'm surprised, sinasabi ni Architect Topi na yung palang Bulacan marble will compete with
granite,
granite and other foreign produced
kasi he's using.
Do you know that I have a friend in the Middle East? My friends have a showroom, what do you call that? Exhibits of material in Dubai. One prince saw it and it was so beautiful.
Talaga.
Why? Because in Dubai, everything is Italian. It is only one piece that it's different. Sinakay niya sa jumbo jet just to bring it.
Wow. Talaga?
Yeah.
Sabi nga, familiarity breeds contempt, di ba? So siguro, very familiar sa atin, kaya parang sa tingin natin, hindi maganda.
Kaya hindi na natin ma-appreciate because we have a lot of
even small projects like residential, mga ganun,
commercial or industrial building.
Maybe what I can add to that is that you choose ordinary material and then you cleverly design it in a way that could be with modern touch and different in application and it will look great.
Tama yun.
So what we did with ours is that we applied the GFRC for the moldings
All the molding.
and other
The
modern
balusters,
materials. Like all these glass are
Okay.
Low E.
low E.
Yeah.
Low E.
When you say, okay.
When you say
Yeah,
low
yeah,
E,
Low
yeah.
E.
it refers to green architecture.
Sustainable.
Wherein the interior is not so hot.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Low energy.
And
Yes.
we also applied the EIFS in the walls.
Yeah.
The moldings, those
I-
are moldings at the same time, it insulates the walls.
For the information of the viewers, what is IFS?
EIFS.
EIFS? What?
It's a exterior insulating finishing system.
Yeah.
Okay.
So siya yung merong styrofoam,
Mhm, in
tapos
between.
merong coating ng
Yeah.
parang cement.
Naka-sandwich.
So it parang ice box, naka-insulate.
So it
Insulator.
insulates the building.
Insulator.
Yes, yes.
So
Insulator,
you reduce the entry
The
of so
heat.
much sunlight,
Yeah.
heat,
The
into
heat
the
into the
interiors of the
building.
building. And so that lessens the cost
air
of running the air
conditioning.
conditioning.
Yes,
and of
that's
course,
right. It cools the
reduces your electric bill.
That's why
Yes.
that is
Right.
sustainable materials
Yes,
also.
it is.
You applied
Yeah.
for this.
Just like putting ice in an ice box.
Okay.
Yeah. So, who else you want to thank, the owner and then
I admire Bobby so much because he is a visionary.
Yeah.
Because, putting a building in Intramuros is not easy. Because the
Yes.
regulation is so stiff, the
Stiff.
building cost is so high, and yet the floor area that you can build is so small.
limited.
So how can you do it?
I agree.
But the intent of Bobby, since I think they have Lyceum here in Intramuros, they have properties
very
here.
close. It's about I think two buildings away from here.
And the good intent of Bobby that he start the gentrification process in Intramuros. Bringing back the business in Intramuros.
So, guys, thank you very much for visiting us. Maybe next time, this will not be your last. This is the beginning.
Thank you.
Because I know that you are very informative, with, helpful for the profession, no? Hindi lamang arkitekto, maging ang mga engineers at other stakeholders of the profession.
I would say napakalaking tulong sa mga nakapanood sa atin
yeah.
at sa manonood
Yeah.
sa ating programa sapagkat itong mga bagay na ito has never been in air, hindi na-discuss sa public. At ako man, para sa akin ay parang nabinyagan ako dun sa issue ng what to do, how to do it in Intramuros.
Yes.
Kaya malaking pasasalamat ko, personal, at of course, the program kay Architect Jimmy, kay Architect Topi.
Thank you.
So, Architect Topi, Architect Jimmy, thank you very much for coming with us, for joining with the program Masterpiece. Any parting words from Architect Jimmy before Architect Topi?
Okay, as we've always said, it's a good time to be an architect in the Philippines with all this construction.
Like that.
So, if you have opportunities here, stay here and work for the country.
Wow.
And especially for clients, they have a better taste now, but accepting sila sa new ideas. So, stay here and work for the Philippines.
Very good.
Architect Topi.
In our firm, we love Philippines so much. That's the reason why we're here. We introduce a lot of good architecture in our country. And what can I say? But it's more fun in Philippines.
So, we have heard our two architects. Thank you very much, Architect Topi,
Thank you
Architect
for inviting us.
Jimmy once again. And of course, talagang nanghinayang kami sapagkat we have this limited time.
There is not enough time to
Enough
discuss
time.
so much
But of course,
interesting topics.
this is not the end. This is
Of
just
course,
only the
this-
beginning. So maybe next time, our next episode, we are going to invite you again.
Maybe, yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
syempre,
To enlighten us, to enlighten
everyone.
our audience.
Congratulations
our
to your
viewers.
new program.
Thank
Yes.
you very
Thank you,
much.
thank you, Architect.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jimmy. Stay tuned, guys. Masterpiece will be right back.